back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Amanda, and don't forget to subscribe if you like me and enjoy my videos. So today I'm gonna be announcing to you guys that I am going to be adding brand new things onto my Poshmark closet. So basically I'm selling my closet, well, some of my stuff. So you guys know I've been on a weight loss journey, so some of my stuff won't fit me anymore, and I don't want to just throw them away or let them sit in the closet because there's no use for that. So Poshmark, if you've never heard of them, is basically an app where you can sell or buy things on there. You can create bundles and offer people and stuff like that. You can be a buyer, you can be a seller, you can be both. For example, I'm both. I've bought from there and I've also sold a bunch of stuff on there as well. I've made a lot of extra money through doing this, so I do encourage you guys to do it as well. So basically, if you guys have a Poshmark, please leave your username or your closet name down in the comment section so we can all check each other's closets out. I will leave a direct link to my closet down in the description box below, so you can go ahead and check that out. I will go ahead and show you guys how the app works. So this is what the app looks like. And if you just go here, then go to my closet, you can see that, oh wow, that one's already reserved. I just posted a bunch of new stuff. There's makeup, there is clothes, and these are all brand spanking new express stuff, which I'll show you guys really soon. So there's a bunch of brands on there, you guys. There is, like, as you can see, there's like Yeezys here, because I was looking for Yeezys on here, so they'll give you recommendations and stuff like that. There's Adidas, Michael Kors, like everything, anything you need. Nike, there's a lot of big brands here, like Louis Vuitton. Yeah, there's a bunch of brands here. Kate Spade, and back to me. So yeah, there's a lot, you guys. So Yeezys, Michael Kors, Old Navy. There's even Gymsharks on here and stuff like that. Like I said, you guys, I've made a lot of money, like over $1,000 on this app. If I was more active and I can constantly put up new stuff, then I would probably make more. And it's super easy because the buyer will be paying for the shipping. So all you gotta do is go on your computer, you print out the label, and you just stick it on to your package and you ship it out. Like, it's so freaking easy. So if you don't have a Poshmark account yet, I recommend you guys to sign up. Again, I will leave a direct link down in the description box below where you can download the app for free, and be sure to follow me and my closets and check out my closet. Trust me, I will be adding more stuff because I need to go through my closet. There's just so much stuff I need to put up. But anyways, yeah, let me show you guys a few of the items that I did put up. It's a faux leather skirt. It's a midi skirt because I love my midi skirts. So this pink one is perfect for Valentine's Day, you guys. It is size 2, which fits like a small. So yeah, I definitely recommend you guys getting this, and I think it's only like $10 or $12 or something like that. Something cheap. And it is originally $59.90. I don't know if it'll focus, but it's originally $59.90. So it's a steal, you guys. And I also have the black version, of course, which you can wear with anything. Honestly, like faux leather skirts makes you look snatched. I do have this bodysuit, which I've never worn, not even tried on or nothing. So it's like a little cute strappy bodysuit. It's like open right here with like the little crisscross detailing, so it can show a little bit of a cleavage, and the back is strappy like so. And this one is size extra small, and the original price is $29.90, so $30, and I believe it's only $10 on my Poshmark. I noticed a lot of you guys were interested in these work pants right here because it is high-waisted, and when I showed it in my express try on haul. But yeah, so now I'm putting this on sale. This is size extra small. Again, it fits like a small, and it is ankle high rise, and it is petite. So for my short girls out there, these will be great for you. Really hope you guys go and check out my closet, and I hope you guys make an account on Poshmark as well and put your things up on sale as well. Again, leave your closet name down in the comment section so we can go ahead and check each other's closets out. Anyways, I'm not gonna ramble on too much, because I already have. So again, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys all so much. Thank you so much for your support. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves. Mwah.